All right, I just wanted to share a coupon that I found on GearBest. It's for the FIMI X8, and they have it for $3.99 starting at 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time for 24 hours, and the code is 24H FIMI X8, and it shows 0 pieces left. I don't see how that is because it hasn't even started yet. So if you try this code, let me know if it works, if you try it past 12 o'clock Eastern, and that way we'll let everybody know if this does work. So follow my link that I have below, again, after 12 Eastern, and see if this code works. And if you buy it, let me know if you did, and again, if it works. So subscribe to my channel. I'm going to keep doing as many coupons as I can and finding deals out there, and also reviewing different quadcopters, action cameras, and different tech. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.